Hi there. Welcome to Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. This is June 16th, Sunday night, and I'm going to bring you a simple, quick, and easy DIY using a laundry detergent bottle. We have many of these and we just toss them aside. And what I will show you how to use it for is a plant or a simple fairy garden decoration. Alright, and what I'm going to do is just cut right here and right here. That's all I'm going to do. Now you can use a hot knife, you can use scissors, you can use an X-Acto knife, but this is going to be simple. Okay, there's not going to be any specific way to cut this other than right here, right where the handle curves, cut it right here, and then right where it curves down at the bottom, cut straight across. So this area would all be cut out, and this area is going to show, and then this area is going to show. And like I said, you can use this as a fairy garden because we're going to just make a little flower up here on the top. We can use some curves right here, and this can be a cute little fairy garden, or it can be a plant holder. And what we'll do is add dirt, and then we can pour water through the little chute right here. That's the flower. Okay, very simple. And this is a sticker. What I'm going to do is paint this. Okay, it's already white, so I'm going to end up painting this area. That's alright. This is simple, easy DIY. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'm working on this prototype garden bench with the Dollar Tree trellises. They're running out of trellises at the dollar store, and I'm having a hard time finding 3 more. I just need 3 more, and I have a very cute lover's bench for outside. And this is my prototype, and I got it together. So stay tuned, hit the notification button, and you will see me upload that video as well. So here we go with the slideshow. I will just mark it out, cut it, and go from there. Easy, simple DIY. Legacy's Little Luxuries, Arts and Crafts YouTube. Okay, I just used scissors, and like I showed you, I cut the top first. First I poke a hole, and then I cut the top, and then I worked my way down. And you want this to show, you want this part cut, and then you want a base. And don't worry about the way it looks, get as close to dimension as you can. But now we'll just do a little bit of design. All I'll do is just trace this area with something circular, go around it, and then cut it, just so that it looks a little smoother. Okay, so let's do that next. Okay, the little half circles are done. Alright, nothing perfect. And now I just rounded this a little bit, and what I'm going to do is cut down into this and cut up this way, and it's going to pull it apart, and it's going to make a flower. Then I'm going to poke holes on the bottom of this so that when it is watered, or if you leave this outside, the water can drain out of it and it doesn't cause the roots of the plants to rot. Alright? If this is going to be a live plant container, that's what I suggest you do. If you're going to make this into a fairy garden, which was something I said earlier, just put your gravel in here, fill your space, and if you wanted to add a flower, go ahead. Add a plant right here, go ahead, and then your little people right here. But this is just basic. This is nothing hard to do, and we have these laundry bottles all the time. Okay, so I'm going to cut into this and then make holes, and then I think I'm going to spray paint this. I have Rust-Oleum paint primer out in the garage, and it does cover plastic. So that'll be my final step. And then tomorrow I'll show you the final results on this project. Luckily, you get to see it in the next minute. So here we go. You just cut slits, and I did round off the petals a little bit. You know, they're not perfect, but that's the way the flower I want it to look. And then you just pull them back, bend them back. That's all you do. It's like this. Bend it back, curve it. Now I am heating up my little hot knife, and I'm going to poke holes on the bottom for drainage, because of this will have a live plant in it. And while it's heated, I might even go around and just melt this and make this a little rounder. If you wanted to give this as a gift, that I would suggest to do, but since this is just going outside in the garden, along with my other whimsical pieces out there, I'm not going to be particular about it. Alright, you have the basic idea. I showed you where to cut, and then just form it, and there's your little watering spout to water your plant. Okay, but while I'm heating this up, I'm going to poke some holes on the bottom for drainage, and then head outside to the garage and spray paint this. Okay, I'm out in my garage, and I am going with Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Coverage paint primer that bonds to plastic. Alright, I use this metallic silver for my garden chairs as well. The garden chair that I showed you earlier that I'm trying to make into a garden bench. These benches are spray painted with this type of paint that I purchased from Walmart. So I'm going to spray paint a coat on here, let it dry for about 15 minutes, another coat, and then let it dry overnight. Well, hello there. We're here the next day. My container is completely dried, spray painted, metallic silver. I have the drain holes. Now Miss Legacy is here to learn how I plant flowers in pots, okay? Because I always recommend to use drain holes, especially if this is going outside and you're not controlling the water amount. When it rains, the roots won't drown and die the plant. Okay, first thing we do is pour in your gravel. And Miss Legacy has pink gravel. You can take the bag and pour it in.
Ow.
It'll go a little faster.
Enough?
Okay, let me see what you have. No, you need more. It's a good sized container.
Enough.
I think you can use this whole bag. There's just enough left for you. Alrighty, now spread it out. Yes, that will add drainage. Okay, now we have this. Now I need you to figure out where are you going to place your plant and then where are you going to place your decorations. Is your plant going to be over here, in the middle, or back there? Where do you want, just think about it, where do you want to put it first?
I think I'll put her here.
Okay, so remember, we're going to add water through the chute right here, and then it's going to come out and it's going to water that area. So what we're going to do is you need to add a little bit of dirt in this area first. Some more. Get the grass out of there. You don't want any grass. We're digging a hole in the backyard right now and removing the sod. So we have some really nice dirt from the backyard right here.
And we got an 8-footer pool.
Yeah, a little baby pool. Okay, we're just going to add some dirt for the base. That way the plant's roots can get nourishment. Pull that grass out of there. We don't want any grass. We want the good dirt. Alright, now take that plant and place it right in there. Take that plant, place it right in there. Yep, just right there. Now you don't have to make a hole yet. We're just going to place it there and then I'm going to pull. Then you're going to get dirt and put dirt around it. Now grab some dirt. You can use your hands. That way you can control it better. A little bit at a time and go around the... Yeah, there you go. Pack it in. Good job. Do some more. Keep going. Fill all that container with dirt. Pack it in. And fill some more. There you go. Good job. Keep going. Watch the grass pieces. Good job. Place it back here. Alright, let's get some more. Let's get this grass out of the way. And we can probably just dump this in. This will be a little bit quicker.
Yeah, you can dump it in there.
Yeah, dump some in. Now let's press it down. Press it back. Press it back there. Alrighty. How cute. Alrighty. Now you have all this room left over to place whatever you want in your fairy garden supplies that we have left over. We have all kinds of things from the Dollar Tree, and she can pick what she wants. She just has a small area to work with, so she doesn't want to overcrowd the area. Go ahead, try opening it. I'm holding the camera. You're going to have to pull it open. There you go. There. There you go. And you can figure out where you want to put her at. And you can add some more stuff. You have some stuff left, so. That's cute. Do you want to add some bunnies? Add a windmill or whatever you want to add?
I want to add some bunnies.
Okay, add some bunnies. It's cute. Is that it? You want to add an outhouse? You want to add a mushroom house? There's 2 houses right there. Which house would you like? The mushroom house?
I'll try.
Yeah, it'll fit in there.
But you can hardly see the bunnies.
That's okay. How's that? What do you think? You can put another bunny right there. You have 4 more left. You can use more. Here, you can use more. Be a whole family of bunnies. And then we'll go take it outside in the yard, and then you can water it. I'll show you how to water it. Let me see. Oh, that is adorable. Is that all you want now? That is adorable. All right, brush your hands off, and you go open the door, and we'll go out this way to the back. Here, bring your little water bottle, and I'll show you how to water this to get it going. My, it's heavy. That gravel in it. Where would you like to place this? Here's our hole we're starting. This is going to be a pool area, and then in the fall it's going to be a fire pit area. Okay, where would you like this, please? Getting heavy. Over this way by the Arts Garage. Over here by Starlight's Palette. Over here. Somewhere's around here with this fairy house.
Yeah, we can put it in
Yes. Okay, let's put it right there. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. All right. Now you have all of it packed in, and what you do is you pour water down that chute right there. Just give it half the bottle for now, and then later on you can
Give it the other half.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because the water has to drain.
That good?
Now you can do it again. There you go. Okay. Well, here it is, folks. Repurpose that laundry detergent bottle. And there you go. Something for the kids. They can also complete in a little hobby. Yeah, great job, Miss Legacy. Please subscribe if you like our ideas. Remind your friends and family that you've seen it here at Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. Please give us credit if you use our idea. And also you can email us and send us a photo of what you have made if you've seen something on our channel and copied it. Our email is legacyslittlelluxuries3@gmail.com. It is in the About section on the channel. How cute can this be? Now you have something to watch this summer. Say bye.
Bye.